Another day. I guess I had to pull freight cards. Yeah, I guess I had to pull a freight cards. What a stink. Wait a minute, how am I gonna get on this track? Oh yeah, I can go backwards. Well, I can go backwards and switch the tracks. I can never doing that. Well, I always doing that in series. Alright, here we go. There. Once I got connected, now let's go. Woohoo! Woohoo! Alright, so I'm gonna connect to my freight car. Alright, time to get this thing. Wait a minute. Bob? Yes, Thomas? Are these Aaron Douglas cars? Oh no, Douglas must forgot to his cars. Oh my god, Douglas is gonna cause confusion and delay. Thomas, we must stop and yeah, but we can get those canisters to those buckets into the party. Capiche? Okay. Alright, first I'm gonna get the delivery, and then I'm gonna tell this to Douglas to they forgot her freight cars. But hurry, Thomas. Alright, but Thomas, how exactly you gonna pull those cars? I'm gonna pull it backwards. I'm gonna turn it off into a wooden railway mode. Okay. Alright, here we go. Oh, wait a minute. Ah, damn it, my magnet doesn't connect. Well, I guess I'm gonna do it forward. Here we go, Douglas. You forgot your freight card. I'm pulling my freight card. La 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 la. Hey, driver, are my freight cards okay? Let me see. Douglas, do we uncoupling your freight card? Yes. Why? Because are invisible for some reason. Wait a minute, we didn't get uncoupling. Cinders and ashes. I gotta go back to my freight cars. I gotta stop. Oh man, Mr. Dumbkin is gonna get angry at me. Don't worry, Douglas. What should I do? That whistle must be Thomas. He probably has your freight cars. Douglas, your freight cars. Your freight cars. Douglas, Thomas, what happened? You forgot your freight cars. Thank God I just realized that you forgot your freight cars. Well, thanks, Thomas. You saved the day. But Douglas, I guess the reason why you didn't get on Club because you're in the Pokemon mode. Wait, Matt? Ah, man, I'm in Pokemon mode. So how am I supposed to get those freight cars? Well, I can take the freight card for you. Take my freight cars for me. Okay, you can do it. Thanks, Douglas. Well, Thomas could lead out for a freight card. I will do that. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.